Looks like I'll be unemployed for a minute. Let's do some fine dining for poor people. Ryan here for SillyReviews.com, and I'm about to break out some old recipes from when I was broke because I'm going to be in between jobs. Let's show you how to fancy up cheap boxed macaroni, okay? No need for this to just be plain Jane miserable food. If you have just a few items in your cupboard, some spices, you can take this 33-cent box of macaroni, maybe spend another 50 cents on it most, and turn it into something that's just a little bit more savory. Here's the ingredients: boxed macaroni, milk, butter, cottage cheese, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, and unemployment, and don't forget to put a little dash of sadness in there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the time lapse on the cooking process, and while that's happening, check out some of the songs I've been working on.
What it do, what it is. This your boy Flesh Puppet, you heard? I got 2 cups. Got that perp. About to rap about my favorite thing. Winnie. Rap about Winnie. All I ever motherfucking do is rap about Winnie. What you talking about? Better be Winnie. What you thinking about? Yo, it better be Winnie. And that Winnie better be motherfucking. I'm talking about that teeny Winnie. I'm talking about that teeny weenie. If you got a weenie, yo, it better be teeny. And I want to talk about a weenie. Then I want to see your weenie. But first, I'm going to talk about Winnie. First, I'm going to talk about Winnie. And then I'm going to see your weenie. Make an appointment. Yo, Winnie can see me. I'm about to tuck my weenie. I'm about to tuck my weenie. I'm about to tuck my weenie. I'm going to go to work. Yo, I'm going to tuck my weenie. I'm going to go to the club. I'm going to tuck my weenie. I'm gonna tuck my weenie. Fuck it. I'm gonna tuck my weenie. When I go to the store, I tuck my weenie. When I go to the mall, I tuck my weenie.
So here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the music. There's more where that came from. Leave a comment for me if you haven't. Like, subscribe, hit the alerts. This is Ryan for SillyReviews.com. Thank you.